Hello, good day friends. So here we are again. It has been officially announced that the Blum token is going to be launching in the month of June, and early snapshot is going to kickstart early June. Now what these guys have actually come out to say, and this is actually bringing and drawing attention and concern from the community, is that these guys are going to be launching exclusively on the Ton blockchain, and these guys are not going to do what is called multi-chain launch, that is launching on different blockchains such as Solana, ETH and BSC. Now the big question in everyone's head is, why Ton blockchain? Now I say something, most people do not understand why developers tend to do some certain things and the reason behind it. Now in this video, what I'm going to be talking about is what the impact on Blum token on the Ton ecosystem itself and the strategic advantage of launching on Ton. Now this advantage is vice versa. There is an advantage Blum has to do, there is a role they have to play on the Ton ecosystem, as well as there is an advantage they get when they tap into Ton ecosystem. Now primarily, let's start with the Blum itself. Now when Blum launch on the Ton blockchain, they get to get what is called access to vast user base. Now Telegram actually boasts of over 800 monthly users, so you can imagine if these guys want to tap into this wide range of audience from different part of the world and they are launching their token exclusively, that means there is going to be a large amount of what token adoption, adopting what the Ton, adopting what is called adopting Blum token itself. Now the next thing you are going to understand is that Telegram actually operates in a very seamless way and easy to use. Now if you want to interact on the Blum ecosystem, you get to realize that everything, their focus and what they use for interaction is what the Telegram mini app, and it's actually very simple and basic for everybody to use, even though you're a newbie when it comes to cryptocurrency. That is to say, they want to take advantage of not just people that actually understand crypto very well, but be able to adopt newbie into the ecosystem, and they are leveraging on what the Telegram mini app, which hosts over 800 million users monthly. Now there is what I call enhanced transition efficiency. Now Ton actually is renowned for high speed transaction and low fees, making it ideal for micro transaction and frequent interaction, and inherent in Blum gamified and airdrop model. Now I don't want you guys to be confused by all this English. Now simply put is that Ton actually, when it comes to transaction with Ton, it's not actually expensive, you understand, and it's actually very easy to use in terms of they have good efficiency. So if these guys want to solely focus on Ton, I think this is actually bravo, and I give them kudos for choosing to launch on Ton, because actually Telegram was actually the very foundation for tap to earn Telegram airdrops. And most airdrops such as Pulse, they left Telegram and went to Solana, which is actually not fair enough. There is something that there's a proverb that people actually say, if you want to scratch my back, I scratch yours, or I don't know how they actually put it, just kind of like a cliche like that. And again, we have what is called, now for the Ton ecosystem, there is what we call Ton network growth. Now I've gone too fast. If you are seeing my channel for the very first time, please make sure you like, you comment and you subscribe, because this channel is actually designed to be crypto based and educative channel, so that you can actually learn and understand how cryptocurrency works, so you don't miss out. Now this is actually my alpha project I'm going to be giving to you all, which is called Caladio testnet mining. If you want to get to that project, the link to the project, the link to my Telegram channel is in the pinned comments of this video, so make sure you don't skip it. Check the description box and also check the comment section. You'll find the link so you can join and start mining different form of projects. Now like I said again, I want to go down to the advantage that the Blum token have on the Ton ecosystem. Now number one is what? Ton network growth. Now Blum activities contribute to the heightened transaction volume on Ton, showcasing the network scalability, robustness. Now this increased activity can attract more developers and projects to Ton ecosystem. Now simply put, what I'm trying to say is that because of the hype that Blum actually has, and if they are solely based on Ton blockchain, there is an advantage is going to get on the Ton ecosystem. That is, if people frequently tend to use and make transactions such as swipe, buy and sell on the Blum ecosystem, and they are making use of what Ton, is going to have an impact. There is going to be a role that is going to play on Ton ecosystem. Now what is that major role? Is that it's going to attract more meaningful projects. Now Ton actually have a bad history, I'm sorry to say that, that, because most projects that have actually come to just launch a token and then before you know they rock the community, a majority of them actually happen on Ton ecosystem, on Ton blockchain. However, I'm not just saying that this thing actually happened solely on Ton. It has happened on different type of blockchain. It has happened on Ethereum. It has happened on Solana. It happens on Solana on a day-to-day basis when it comes to those people that do degen trading. You understand? Now, the next point I'm going to be laying emphasis on is what? Increase Blum token demand. Now, there is what is called, now the requirement of users to engage with the Ton blockchain to qualify for airdrop fosters organic demand for Blum token. And again, there is going to be potential increase in the value of the price of Blum. Generally, the conclusion of this is that Blum exclusive airdrop on the Ton blockchain, it not only benefits Blum token through increased demand and utility, but it also reinforces Ton's standing as a robust and scalable platform suitable for high engagement and application. I hope you guys were able to get something from this video. Again, let me just recap. For those who that might not understand, maybe it sounds as if I'm speaking gibberish. I said, the advantage that Blum has on launching on Ton ecosystem is that they are going to leverage on the wide range of audience that Telegram has. Telegram have over 800 monthly users, so they will leverage on that and take advantage of it. Now, if they are trading on Telegram, Telegram has a seamless operation. Right, it is not actually complex to use, that even a newbie can actually use it. Even a child can actually use Telegram and actually trade cryptocurrency on Blum using Telegram. And again, because of the hype that people have on Blum, there are so many hype, and because of many issues that Blum is actually facing, whether it is negative or positive, whatsoever that brings a token out there, there is an advantage and there is an attraction of investors. There is an eye on Blum right now as I speak to you. Now, if Blum tend to do well when they list, what is going to happen is that because of the fact that these guys are going to be launching exclusively on Ton and transaction is going to be happening on the Ton blockchain, the impact there is that more projects are going to launch on Ton blockchain. The trust for Ton blockchain is going to be renewed one more time. Remember, when people actually started participating in the tap to earn game, there was a lot. All hopes were high until when we started seeing project developers coming here and there, listing some launching in some what is called dust and what some people call premium dust, based on the fact that it was Ton blockchain. So everything actually went down to Ton. You understand? Because most project developers launch on Ton, and this tends to what? Water down the project itself, water down the blockchain. If I go show you the price of Ton right now, it's not actually something to be excited about. Where am I heading to right now is called CoinMarketCap, which is CMC. I want you guys to see the price of Ton for yourself. I don't know if it's going to pop up. If it does pop up, I think Ton right now is worth around $2. If it doesn't pop up, you can go check it out yourself on CoinMarketCap. I'm sorry for this network glitch and network issue that I'm suffering right now. But in essence, what I'm going to say is that if Blum tend to do well after launching on Ton blockchain, the impact that is going to have on the Ton ecosystem is going to be high. So it's a win-win for the Ton blockchain ecosystem, and it's also a win-win for Blum Airdrop. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please make sure you like, you comment, you subscribe. I believe you get value. Thank you guys.